For once, I am doing something relatively normal and touristy, exploring Bandelier National Monument.
But it's not that normal for long. I start using my 360 camera.
Now I am using my full spectrum modified Nikon Z6 with an infrared filter. This is what life looks like in infrared. It's time to let my girl Rhonda have some fun too. Rhonda is my beloved Nissan Xterra. She lives to be off-road. I'd call that a halfway decent camp spot for the night. Winter camping's a little difficult because a lot of the roads are closed and a lot are just pretty dicey. And I think we found a good one. I also like some of these trees over here. Will make good compositions for some night photography. So we'll just call this a win. Got a little lucky. Usually when I'm on road trips, I'm in this big rush the whole time. Just trying to get to the next place, and sometimes I forget to just sit there and enjoy nature. So that's what we're gonna do tonight. Just hang out and enjoy a little peace and quiet. we got some clear skies tonight, so we're going to do a little star photography. It is slightly chilly, so I'm going to be getting as ready as possible in the vehicle. Gotta mentally prepare yourself. And get the biggest jacket that you got on.
I set up my star tracker and align it with the North Star. I then attach my full spectrum modified Nikon Z6 and start shooting. This is what the image looks like straight out of camera. This is with basic color correction, now, curves, local color enhancements, and star reduction. This final image is from stacking two images, both taken at about 10-minute exposures. This image is straight out of camera, pointed at the Andromeda galaxy. Here is color correction, curves and color enhancements. Andromeda galaxy is the closest large spiral galaxy to the Milky Way. Finally, I grab my Nikon Z8 for a time lapse. Getting enough light in an image is critical for foregrounds. This is one thing that is helpful with snow. Snow is white and reflective and allows a camera to pick up more detail.